Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zingy cheese noodles. We will cover everything from gathering your ingredients to serving a delicious, comforting meal. First, we will identify the key components for our dish, ensuring you have everything ready. Next, we will walk through the simple, step-by-step cooking process. Finally, I will share some tips to perfect your noodles, making them wonderfully creamy and full of flavor. Get ready to create a truly satisfying and easy-to-make dish that everyone will love. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need 8 ounces of elbow macaroni or your preferred pasta shape. For that signature zing, grate 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. Also, have 1/4 cup of whole milk and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter ready. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of dry mustard powder and a small pinch of cayenne pepper to really elevate the flavor. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's dive into the cooking process. Begin by boiling 6 cups of water in a large pot, then add your pasta and cook until it's al dente, which usually takes about 7 minutes. Once cooked, drain the pasta thoroughly and return it to the warm pot. Immediately add 2 tablespoons of butter, allowing it to melt and coat the noodles. Then, stir in the 1/4 cup of milk, grated cheese, mustard powder, and cayenne pepper. To finish, continue stirring the pasta over very low heat until all the cheese is completely melted and the sauce is wonderfully smooth. This gentle heat ensures a creamy consistency without overcooking the noodles. Taste your zingy cheese noodles and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt or a dash of black pepper. Serve your delicious creation immediately to enjoy the perfect texture and vibrant flavor. Enjoy your homemade, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.